Tonight, a Bay Area woman venting her anger online, posting these photos of a beer truck blocking 4 disabled parking spots today at Lowry Park Zoo. And we're just learning that angry rant could already be forcing some changes at the zoo. ABC Action News reporter Maricela Burgos joins us live tonight with the latest on this. Maricela?
This mother says that this sign painted in the parking spot as well as this sign up here are important because for her this is more about awareness than anything else. So what she saw today upset her.
I was very surprised because Lowry Park has always had a really good reputation.
That may have changed today for Jennifer Griffith after she saw a beer truck in spaces reserved for disabled parking.
There are laws that were created for a reason. Those are not just optional spaces that you get to use when you want to.
She went to the zoo with a group of seniors, 3 of whom she says have handicap tags. It wasn't until she spoke to a manager that she says she was directed to use other available parking spots that were the same distance.
I just proceeded to let her know that that was a poor choice and that that was really sending a message and that it really was just not very classy.
Setup for Wazoo Beer Fest was happening today. A zoo rep says this was a temporary parking challenge because of this special event, and that they tried to help people who needed disabled parking spots by redirecting them to other spaces up front or in their business lawn. They stated this doesn't happen on a regular basis.
I find it hard to believe that they installed ramps and accessible room for people to load in and out of vehicles.
Jennifer is passionate about this issue because her 5-year-old son was born with spina bifida.
It's easy to sit back and say she's overreacting, but you don't have to load a child in and out of a wheelchair from a parking spot every day.
Zoo officials are now looking at a different location to move that truck. That will be a good compromise for everyone, and Jennifer says she appreciates hearing that. Reporting live, Maricela Burgos, ABC Action News.